It is love today. It is love, and it is day 34 of 64 days of Ways to Peace, the Michael Chekhov Way. And I am standing in the rain in front of my flowers. Do you love them? They are so amazing. Love is the reason for us to exist. When we allow ourselves to give love and receive love, we are in a state of peace and nonviolence. Love is the countermand to fear. Fear and hatred and materialism, these can contract us. Fear can overexpand us. It can take us out of ourselves and lead us to do things that are not really true to our own loving nature. I don't know if you can see, there are bees buzzing around me, seeking the nurturing fragrances and gifts found in these beautiful flowers. I love that. And you know that I'm on a path to help save some bees and keep peace in this world. Love cannot coexist with fear. If you imagine fear as a kind of darkness, love is a kind of light. Where there is darkness, it takes but one spark of light to transform it, and love is that spark. In the Chekhov technique, the entire process is founded in love, understanding that we love and that we do it naturally. We do not need to force ourselves. We are that. We are the loving expression of light. And when we bring that love to any situation, we use the four brothers of art to find the beauty, to learn the lesson, to understand the form, to release judgment, to apply a feeling of love. It's chapter 20 in Acting the Michael Chekhov Way. It is the culmination of the work that I seek to bring into the world. It is the most powerful tool, act. Love is a verb. As Chekhov discusses it, it is a continuous state of expanding and opening ourselves to be in union with the other and in union with our highest self, which is, of course, love, just pure love. And you could imagine at the center of the planet is an incredible force of light and pure love, and above us is an atmosphere, a cosmic force of divine love. And that love expresses itself in many ways. We talk about, other languages having multiple words for this love, and certainly in the Greeks, a kind of erotic, eros kind of love, a kind of, Chekhov talks about a kind of possessive love, like I love my flowers, and I love you, my friends, and I love myself in my siblings and in my grandchildren, and I love the my. And that's a kind of familial love. I love my country, I love my city, I love my. But there are higher loves. There are loves that, see, if we just limit ourselves to the possessive love, then we position ourselves against what is not mine in that perception. So we can think changing mine to our, changing the I to we, changing the love, expanding the definition of love into the higher forces, and to love not just humanity, but every individual, to love all cultures, to love all differences, to find differences as lovable, to find commonalities as lovable as opposed to competitive, and being able to appreciate the form and the shape of every living thing, to find the beauty, and to understand that love is a cosmic force field. It is self-energizing, meaning, oh, how long can you do something that you love versus something that you dread, that you hate, that you resent? Love is a force of fuel, and it ignites and feeds our hearts, our soul. It feeds our minds. What we're able to gain clarity of when we're in a state of love is much greater than clarity that we find when we're in a state of fear or anger, rage, sorrow, depression. Love brings us light. Love brings us peace. And I wish you love today.